Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unblock accounts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. Whether you've changed your mind about someone or just want to update your blocked list, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open x.com on your browser and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left sidebar. That's where you'll find the main menu. Click on the icon labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 dots inside a circle. From there, a menu will pop up. Choose the option that says Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your main settings dashboard, where you can manage all your account controls, including privacy and security options. Next, inside the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Safety. This section lets you control who can interact with you, what content you see, and how your account handles muted or blocked users. Now, under Privacy and Safety, scroll down and select Mute and Block. Then click on Blocked Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts you've blocked on X. Each profile listed will have a blocked button next to their name. To unblock someone, simply click on the blocked button beside their account. It will instantly change back to Follow, which means you've successfully unblocked that person. They'll now be able to view your profile, follow you, and interact with your posts again, depending on your account privacy settings. Repeat this step for any other users you'd like to unblock. When you're done, just close the settings page, and your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to unblock accounts on X using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick how-to guides, and stay tuned for the latest updates on social media features.